Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to solve the remaining part of your chapter 9, which is time, page number 151. So, students, this is very easy, but some question is given there in some other way. So, let us understand. Meenal bought a watch which had no markings on it. Okay, Meenal bought a watch and which has no marking on it. That means there is no numbers written here. Now help Meenal to mark the clock and show the time when you go to sleep. So which time you go to sleep? First of all, we have to put here marks. Okay, so students, I already told you where we write number, from which side, left side or right side. So first of all, in the middle we have to write 12, and from 12 here is 12, and from which side we have to start? Left side or right side? Right side, yes. So write it here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. A clock has 12 numbers. So we already arranged here. Now question is saying that you have to which time Meenal go to sleep. So usually we sleep at 10 o'clock. So we make a hand which shows 10 o'clock. So if you sleep in 9 o'clock, so keep your R hand to 9. Now there is one more interesting question. Fill the dates of the current month from the current year calendar and answer the question given below. That means here you have to fill the date of current month. Suppose, which month is this? September. And what is the day today? Today is Saturday or Friday. Okay, I suppose that today is Friday and 5th September. This is September month. So I write here 5th. Before 5th, which day will come? Which day came? So 5 before 4, 4 before 3, 3 before 2, 2 before 1. That means here today is Friday, so we put here 5. And day before Friday, like Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, why we kept here 3, 4, 3, 2, 1? Because before 5, this days, the month of September starts from date 1. That's why we put here. Now 6th Saturday, 7th Sunday. Likewise, you have to write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Students, how many days in the month of September? Yes, September month have 30 days. So after 30, which month will come? After 30, October month will come. So we have to write here some mistake happened here. One column was left, so I again put it here. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now after September, which month will come? October. So we have to start here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This all okay? Now you have to observe, this is our calendar of the month of September. Now you have to read this question. Some questions are given here. You have to read this question and filled up. So which month date have you filled in? So which month dates have we filled here? September plus October. So we have to write here September and October. Now how many days are there in this month? So September has 30 days. And in the month of October only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days be taken. So this is not required here. And if you want to show here, so you can write here 31. October has 31 days. Now count and write the blanks. How many of the following are in this month? That means we have to observe only one month, September. So there is no need of October here and 31 here, no need. But for better understanding, I write here. So now in the month of September, how many Sundays are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write only 4. Now, do you know why we didn't count this number 5? 5 date, because this is the month of October. September month has only 1, 2, 3, 4 Sunday. Okay. Likewise, how many Tuesday are there in September? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 Tuesday are there in the month of September. Now Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we have to write 4. We didn't count this date too. Now Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again here 4 Saturday are there in September. Now Monday. How many Monday are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wednesday. How many Wednesday are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write here 4. Friday. How many Friday are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So students, this is your answer. Now the next question is, if today is the first day of the week. Okay, if today is the first day of the week. So what is the first day of the week? You know very well. Monday. Now, then which day was yesterday and which day will be tomorrow? So you have to fill it here. Which day will be tomorrow? Monday after Tuesday. So you have to write it here Tuesday, and Monday before Sunday. 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 Likewise, The question is given here, which month are just before and just after your birth month. So you have to solve this question. Question is saying that which month your birth, which month is your birth month. Suppose your birth month is May. So I am giving just an example. Suppose if your birth month is May, then which month comes just after May? After June. So you have to write it here, June. And which month are just before of your birth month? So if your birth month is May, so what is the before month? May before April. So the answer is April. So students, this is your page number 151. All of you understand that one. If you have any doubt, just ask me again. Now there is one more question. Hots, today is Monday. The teacher asked the class today to submit the work 2 days after. What day will that be? Suppose today is Monday and the teacher asked the class today to submit to the work 2 days after. So what comes after 2 days after Monday? So Monday after Tuesday and Tuesday after Wednesday. That means you have to submit it on Monday. Today is Monday. 2 days after, that means Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, 2 days after Tuesday, Wednesday, after Thursday. So you have to submit here Thursday. So complete this page number and thank you.